Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm home alone. Jason gone. This is my first time at the home alone, but I am not scared, to be honest. I open up the place, the door open, the front, well, I not open the front door yet still. Hold on, I'm gonna open this door just to make in here get some breeze. Basically, this is just my morning routine in my new house. It is slightly different from when I was back down in Clarendon because the place is bigger. May have more stuff to do. Oh yeah, and it is very windy here, so every time I hear this whistling sound, I hate it. Like, I really hate it. It always like scare me. Normally, I would wake up and I groom my flowers back down there, rake up the front of the yard, stuff like those. With this yard space, there's not much to do outside, but you know, you have one or two grass that grow somewhere you don't want it to grow. So I mean, I groom those and I water some pepper. I saw them when I came here. I'm so proud of myself. I washed some white, but they put them for soak from last night though, so they're already on the line. I don't know if you're see, but well, I'm not because they're really white. I'm so proud. This will paint today because we're gonna get with lovebird them. There's a lot of stuff that I want to get done today, so I just, you know what, I just record a morning routine. It'll go probably go past the morning, so this is not my daily routine, but I just want to see what I do when I'm not at work, as I say. So I have these to do. I have plate for wash. Still in my night clothes, in my pajama. Well, I just change the shirt. I already catch water in the machine, so I go wash those. Nothing too much, just jeans and shirt and all of that. All of the stuff that I have to wash with my hand. I woke up from, I think it was 6, 7. I'm gonna wash those. I made breakfast. So Jason could get something hot to eat before him leave out. I made my bed already, and I did the bathroom from, well, my bathroom and a bathroom. I have to get up and say I go clean because we normally like clean after we bathe. So when we bathe, we will have this thing in the bathroom that we use and wash the walls, you know, so you can stay clean. Because me love clean bathroom, and when me I bathe me all over the bathroom, so I don't want my skin fair. I don't rub on nothing, but yeah. So I go wipe the house, dust the furniture, even though up here now dusty. I'm gonna comb my hair because I washed it last night, detangle it and everything, because I don't know why I don't like to comb my hair. I don't know if nobody realized I really not like comb my hair. I hate it bad. I have very bad eczema in my ear. Alright, breeze. So breeze have tried for me. This is what I do. I clean. I'm gonna groom myself. I have some ear products I want to try. Alright, I went on the internet and I did try to put some ear products I use, like I see people use shea butter. This that shea butter don't work for me. Don't work for me none at all. So yeah, if everybody will go watch this now and say, oh, shea butter don't work with it. It don't work for me. It make me hair tear out. Yep. So may I use contour, may I use this leave-in conditioner, may I use normal shampoo, because shampoo not really, but not have no special shampoo when I use, and I have some Blue Magic hair oil. Blue Magic work really well for me, especially the coconut one. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna comb my hair, as I said, I did tell you if I suggest some colors, and I need one long time vlog. I'm gonna screenshot them because I'm gonna need that for like a special day. I'm gonna vlog, I'm gonna get my hair professionally cut, and yeah, get my hair professionally cut. I go color it, I go deep treat it because it probably won't treat by now, because I realize I have a little uneven hair. Like the middle blend not bad, but I want the middle to like line up with everything. So I go probably, why the noise keep on the breeze? Come on, breeze. This doesn't scare me. But yeah, I go cut my hair, I go color it. I'm not sure if I really want to color it yet, because for my birthday I want to do this passion twist in my ear. I don't know if that's going to affect it, because I don't like to see like color ear. Yes, I use the black, and a black I really want to use because I don't want it too loud, because as I don't know, well, I don't want it too loud. So yeah, I'm gonna do the dishes. I'm gonna put some clothes in the washing machine to wash while I'm doing the dishes. I'm not sure if I go do my hair first. I might just go outside and paint my bird cage, and then I'm gonna take a bath, and then me go detangle my hair. Well, not detangle, me go fix my hair, comb it, and look like Miss Desiree daughter. And I might go out in the town just to walk around and see. I did shopping, food shopping. Somebody say 1 or 2 places that I like and I want to go back. But mega just bathe, look like a girl, and go might buy something, ice cream, something, I don't know. But just spend the day with me, okay? So yeah, it's a 15 minutes, so next 15 minutes I come back. I go do the dishes them now. So when I know say I plate, I go wash them and fish one day plate. I'm new to this thing, you know, honestly. I'm new to this thing, this whole vlogging thing. I just want to see what I do when I not work. So I'm gonna catch some fresh water because I have this from morning. So yeah, as for like videos to my channel, I have a lot of videos and a lot of ideas. Well, I don't have a lot of videos, but I have like 4 videos, well 3. Yeah, 3 videos to upload. I think 2 of them edit already. I see next one reach 3K in less than 24 hours, which is a very good thing. I'm happy, and I always tell you I'm grateful like for the support, like really and truly. Me appreciate it. Me almost reach 6K. I think me need like probably 150 or 60 subscribers for 6K, but I really appreciate it. I could have done more. I'm probably just too lazy, but we don't know how the whole working thing goes, so I did kind of pause that. And not even with the working, but I did go school, so I could have balanced school and YouTube, God knows. Cause you see, when you have spend enough money for something, you just want to focus until you finish. Me know me. So me never did go take the jaw out to post for my channel, and when me can focus and sit down on YouTube and look video ideas and fail and burn up one little dead money, that's not me. Honestly, I know me that me not take jaw out. But yeah, as to my channel, a lot of ideas, a lot of collabs. I have this surprise. I can't even tell her no, I can't tell her no. I'm excited, I want to blurt it out, but I can't blurt it out. But I have a very special collab coming up. Woo, yeah, because I did post on my Instagram and asked who then take me for collab with. And everybody did that, so this one person. And I said, Lord God, this one person, I'm afraid I don't know how to ask a person here if you want collab. Like, honestly, I don't know how to ask, right? I'm saying, you know what? I'm a woman. I need to grow up and ask. I'm saying, no, I'm a message a person. I'm saying, no. I'm not a message a person. I go voice note the person. Right? It breathes outside strong. I don't think I'm going to use the machine for dry the clothes. Then I'm going to just make it rinse it and just go put them on the line like that. Because that's a waste of electricity. And it breathes out. I do a one. So, no. So, yeah. I'm saying, no, I'm going to send the person here one voice note. I may tell you, me slide almost 60 voice notes. I'm not joke. Me slide, me say no, me not send this. I'm a spoil the person here, I go back and me just break up and send one and ask. The person reply, and me say, me jump up, me start jump up and me say, Lord God, me did excited. Me I look off the stove and remember that me did a cope when the person reply. But yeah. So for everybody out there who always text me and tell me so they love me and they really want me, I believe, you know. Honestly, because me love that person there. And for the persons them where ask me when my birthday and what I want for my birthday, I appreciate it too. Please don't ask me what I want for my birthday. I appreciate it, but don't ask me. I like surprises. Honestly, if me forgot to say, alright, I want this for my birthday, it's not fun. It's not fun. I don't know all that fun, God. I want to see it and say, but I get this. Oh my God. If me tell us I want to, I go say, Lord God, I want to get my birthday gift. Or with a little this man. Or you put it that. I mean, I'm not like that, but yeah, I want surprise me with it. Surprise me. Don't ask me what I want. I really hate that. Is it too late not to say sorry? Cause woo! guess what? Current gone. Change of plans. So now the clothes them can't go get free rings because no electricity. My phone they are 30% and my hot bad. No fan. Alright, current come back. Nobody go up not Eve. Well, I think that was like 30 minutes, but I made some juice. The house is super clean, and the last little touch, I'm gonna use some of this, not too much. All right, so today now workout like I did want it for workout. It is raining now and it is still morning time. It look like me I take forever for doing everything, but it's still morning time. Rain just start fall. I lucky thing me never did hang out those clothes on the line. Them still in the machine, but me like dry them, off dry them. So yeah, I want to start watch Shameless. Somebody told me to start watch Shameless. Yeah, when Jason there I would normally play a game or do some other stuff, but yeah, I fold up the clothes them already. Today is a very productive day. I'm gonna make a cook with me. Alright, so I just finished cut up a chicken. Since I'm me and Jason alone, we don't need too much, but I always like leave over some. I don't have any vinegar. That's the thing. When I have the vinegar, so I make use lime. When no one can't see me, but yeah. Me like lime better. Me like to use lime more than the vinegar. But yeah, I'm showing you what I go on. So you just squeeze it. You make it go and stay in this for all one. Me always make it stay for 10 minutes. So it's just leg and thigh and breast. And I and Jason alone as myself, so I don't need a lot. So I'm gonna make this stay in here so for leg for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna season with salt and Maggi and pepper, scallion. Like people normally season with onion and stuff from the night before, but me not do that. I only use like scallion, thyme, pepper when me season it from overnight, and I try to like crush them out. I don't have any blender. I mean I really want to put that in the bullet because it's a go leave back. So, I don't want to put it in the bullet, but I like crush them out so you can soak. So tomorrow it's gonna have this nice smell and flavor. So I make that stay for 10 minutes and then I go season with Maggi. Yeah, I love Maggi. And salt, pepper, scallion, thyme. And that's it. And put it in the freezer. No, not in the freezer. In the bottom of the fridge until tomorrow. And since I got pressure peas, people normally soak them peas from overnight. Me not do it. Me never do it. My mommy always do it though. But me not need to do that. Well, me need to do it for save like gas, but I just never do it. So I'm gonna make that go and soak. And yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna take a bath and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do my hair. Alright, so this is everything I need. Never mind, this is some little pan with my bubbles and not bubbles, clip and scrunchie and all. hair. And next, and the other thing when I realize, like when you wash your hair, you gonna really go good with that. When your hair well clean, it kind of make it hold together properly. But it look white now because I'm having like contour. But normally when I go out, I don't comb my hair. Same time, I don't comb my hair like when I go put on. Normally when I go out, I normally do my hair, then I tie it down and get ready. So you're not going to see all of this glossy looking, gel looking thing, moisturizer thing in my hair. I normally like comb it and then tie it down and get ready. So this is how it looks now. I'm gonna see in the light. Alright, it's a get back sunny outside, but yeah. And I really do not offer my baby ear them, so I never did really go in too much on them. I just brush them down so them can stay like this. I'm gonna put down this because it's up on the tripod. So yeah, this is me alone at home. And some people look good when them bathe. All you need for to just bathe and get the proper lighting. Look how me look. Alright. Hi guys. You hear that? Some like it. Yeah, I know. Weird bad. Weird. Alright guys, so I made dinner. Me can't sleep if Jason reach home. I don't want nobody else but with my mother, my sister, Jason, if them not reaching at the house. Cause what I do over my mommy, if she not reaching, me not sleep. Same with my sister. And with Jason, if Jason are reaching at the house, me can't sleep either. So, well, if I'm hungry, we just go ahead and eat. But I normally wait on Jason, so we can eat together. So when them reach home, we turn on back the camera. I'm having green and white. My baby is home. Hold on. Lizard. My baby is home.
Yeah, sit up on the tripod now. Right.
Good night. So basically we'll carry it out.
Let me show you how to do it. Well, I know.
No, just dry down. Yes, pull it down.
So you do it.
But it's dark. Miss to them black. Me I say if Jason did the one. So yeah, basically I did a record a day in my life.
How many in your life?
Cause you never did home.
Oh.
It lame. So what after you watch this, then they need making adjustments them after you watch the video here.
Make which adjustment?
You will see. Miss you.
Yeah,
Hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah.
Smell fresh, don't it?
Yeah, it smells super good. Never smell good. But it feels so.
I miss you.
You know, we make him a record.